good day. I am Ann-Marite Francois Altopang from grade 6 section Tras. Today I will be making lemonade. Lemonade requires lemon, sugar, and cold water. First step is squeeze the lemon into the glass. After we squeeze the lemon, we put some sugar. After we put the sugar, let's put the cold water. Now, let's stir it until it's good. Let's taste it. It's good. You should try lemonade now because it's good and healthy too. That's all. Thank you.